Going on, guys, back with another video, and today we have the GameSir GB98K Bluetooth speaker helmet unboxing. Okay, let's check it out. The box is well made, it's very nice, very thick. Okay, let's see what's inside. Boom, there you have it, guys, the speaker. Look at that. Look at this speaker. Check that out. It feels good. It looks good. Check out this speaker. Take a close up right here so you guys can see all the details of this speaker. Very nice. It's a mini speaker, super small. Nice. It's well built. Very nice. It fits on my hand, so you can see. Okay, let's see what else is inside of the box. We have right here the charger. There you go. Charger cable. We have the USB and micro USB. As you can see, it's pretty long cable. It's like 1.5 feet. Okay, let's see what else is inside of the box. Oh, we have the instructions right here. And GameSir GB98K Bluetooth speaker. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, we have the product description, some information you like to read. I'm gonna put this on the description below of the video so you guys can read it. Check that out. Okay, we have the layout, and we have how to connect it and charge it. Okay, let's see what else in other languages. Okay, let's check it out. We're gonna connect this to my smartphone so we can test it out and see and listen how powerful is this speaker. Nice, very nice. Okay, let's go to the layout of this speaker. We have letter A. Letter A means power button. That will be this side. This is the power button right here to turn it on, turn it off. We have right here the to charge the speaker right here on the side. Letter B is the other side. It's to play the songs. We have the play button and the pause button, as you can see. We have letter C and D together is the control button. No, that's not the control button. It's CD. C means RGB indicator light, and D charging indicator. That will be inside of the face mask. As you can see, you see that logo right there in the middle. That is the RGB indicator light and charging indicator. Okay, let's see. Letter E, the hanging hole. Hanging hole will be this thing right here on top of it, so you can hang the speaker anywhere you want. And last letter is the F, is the composite vibrating diaphragm. That will be this right here on the bottom. This is the bass, and on top we have the speaker right here. Okay, let's connect this to my smartphone and let's listen to this speaker. First of all, we're going to turn it on. It's a long press, and we're gonna hear a notification sound. Okay, let's turn it on. There you go. It's on. So you can see the LED in the middle. It changes different color. Let's turn off the lights so you guys can see. Check that out. Look how nice. Okay. When the LED is solid blue, it means that it's ready to connect. The third thing is we have to turn on the Bluetooth speaker on my smartphone. I have the LG Stylo 4 and my Bluetooth speaker is already on. Let's turn on. GameSir GB98K. It's connected. There you go. It's connected. Okay. So we're gonna go, when you press this button twice, this LED, you can turn on and turn off. Let's check it out. 1, 2 is gone. 1, 2 is on. Okay, let's see. Let's connect. Let's put some free copyright music. Let me go to my YouTube. Okay, let's check it out. Oh, before we play the music, when it's solid red, it means that the battery is very low, like 50% low. And when you're charging the speaker, it's a solid red as well. And when the speaker is all the way charged, the LED will turn off and you will see nothing right here in the front. Okay, let's see what else. There you go. Nice. This is the bass, and this is the actual speaker. There you have it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video.